If you want to download from Google Drive on your iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, the best way and the easiest way, I believe, to do so is to actually download the Google Drive app. So you're gonna go to the App Store and let's just simply type Google Drive. There we go. We're gonna install the app. And the good news about this is that the app itself is synchronized with the Files app that we have on our iPhone. So you don't even have to open the app itself. You can just go to Files instead, and you should be able to find the Drive in the library. Of course, you can still open it if you want to. You can use that instead. But if you go to Files and if you are logged in, then you should be able to go to the catalog over here. And as you can see, we have Drive. Of course, in my case, I need to turn it on, and you will have to, of course, sign into your account. But generally speaking, this is how it works. So let me quickly sign in. All right, there we go. We are signed in. We're gonna go back to Files, and there we go. We have access to everything that we have on our Google Drive account. And if you want to download something, you can probably either open it in the from the Google Drive, and you can tap on this share button in the bottom right corner in order to, for example, save to files if you want to. But I believe we should also be able to press and hold our finger on the app in order to, or the file actually, in order to choose the move option or share option, and it should work as well. So over here, in this case, we should be able to find the option to save in files, although there is a chance that it is actually, well, we can actually just save the image if you want to, so it will be saved in the photos library instead. But I assume in the case of documents, we should be able to just save it in files, I believe, or maybe even not. Well, nevertheless, you can just access everything from the Files app quite easily, so you don't have to worry about looking for something in many different apps. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.